We all know what is kaleidoscope, but we all are unaware about dynamic kaleidoscope projector, more specifically teleidoscope. So today we are going to study what is teleidoscope, but before knowing about it, we will know what is kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is a circle of mirrors containing loose colored objects such as bits of pebbles and bits of glass. As the viewer looks into one end, light entering the other end creates a colorful pattern due to the reflection of the mirrors. The word kaleidoscope is derived from the ancient Greek word meaning beauty, shape and tool for examination. Hence, it is known as observer of beautiful forms. Kaleidoscope operates on the principle of multiple reflection, where several mirrors are attached together. Typically, there are three rectangular lengthwise mirrors. Setting the mirror at 45 degree creates 8 duplicate images of the object, and at 60 degree it creates 6 duplicate images, and at 90 degree it creates 4. As the tube is rotated, the tumbling of the colored object presents the viewer with varying colors and patterns. Any arbitrary patterns of object shows up as a beautiful symmetrical pattern created by the reflection in the mirror. The two mirror model yields a pattern or patterns isolated against a solid black background, while a 3 mirror closed triangle model yields a pattern that fills the entire field. Sir David Brewster is known to invent kaleidoscope. He began the work leading to the invention of kaleidoscope in 1815 when he was conducting experiments on light polarization, but it was patented until 2 years later. His initial design was a tube with a pair of mirrors at one end, pairs of translucent discs at the other, and bits between the two. Now, what is teleidoscope? A teleidoscope is a kind of kaleidoscope with a lens and an open view. So, it can be used to form kaleidoscopic patterns from the object outside the instrument rather than from the items installed as a part of it. Teleidoscope was invented by John Lyon Burnside III in 1970. The lens at the end of the tube is not an optical requirement but protects the internal of the teleidoscope. A spherical ball lens is often used. The advantage of using it is it will not press flat against the object being viewed, which would block all light and result into no image being seen. Now, what is modern kaleidoscope? A modern kaleidoscope is made up of brass tube, stained glass, wood and almost any other material an artist can sculpt or manipulate. The part of kaleidoscope containing object to be viewed is the object chamber or object cell. Object cells may contain almost any material. Sometimes the object cell is filled with liquid, so the items float and move through the object cell with slight movement from the person viewing.